Today we're reviewing a product and the actual light is on that we are using of a 12 volt, 24 volt system. They come in a number of sizes and colors and shapes and models, as you can see on the table. This one is a cylinder type design. They're made of glass with the CRI 80 bulb. They're very easy to clean, they're weather resistant, and they are protected in the back with a waterproof casing. The leads are yellow and black, hook up to a 12 volt, 24 volt wiring. It has a blue night light and it has a dimmable switch with a 3000 Kelvin. Let's show you how simple this is to hook up on the side and show you what it looks like. The parts are the back mounting bracket, a right angle Allen key, 2 set screws, and a grub screw. We're going to hook it up right over here. Put your bracket on the bolt, tighten down, and do the next. Demonstrations are very simple and easy to show you. We're going to slide our leads, place the light on, and we're going to need to put the Allen key and grub bolt on the bottom. My 12 volt system, I'm hooking up my leads. I press on my switch, it lights up to a night light. Press it again to turn it on and hold the switch to dim down. It is a feather touch switch. When it reaches its full low level, let go. When you want to have it on an increment, let go. It'll go to the full maximum. As you get very close to the switch, it senses the heat from your fingers. As the light is off, this is the light throw the light gives, a 3000 Kelvin. You are given instructions, and if you have a 12 volt power source, you can hook this up anywhere you like and make yourself a portable light. It's not just for an RV, a boat, a camper, anywhere that has a 12 volt, 24 volt system. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is what you are looking for, they come in many shapes and sizes and different types of models. Enjoy your product. I hope this is what you are looking for.